Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to create data entities. So for that first we'll create one table, add new item. We can directly create a data entity, but I'm just today showing the shortcut for that. Okay. Just name it accordingly. So after creating the table, we will add it's already exist. Okay, sample table 1. Okay, now we'll do one thing. We'll add just one or two fields. Okay, just add one as a string, emp id. Okay, we'll add one more, a new string, emp name. Okay, so now we'll do one thing. Just we'll add one index here, new index, and just drag and drop this index here. So give the index also a proper name. Okay, the main use of index is it will not allow the duplicates. So for emp id is like one is a unique one, so unique field. So that is the reason I have added this emp id to the index field. Okay, so after that, now just save it. Just go to the table properties and check here, primary index. So we have already created one index called the index 1. So just select this in this table properties, save it, just build it once. Okay, the build is completed. Now just click on this table, close this window. Yeah, click on this table, just go to this add-ins. Okay, click on this add-ins. You will be just getting this. Okay, a generate alt query kind of CD stuff you will be getting. So click on this create data entity. Okay, after clicking on that create data entity, I'll show you. Yeah, we'll be getting this pop-up called the data entity staging table and security artifacts were created and added to the project. Let's see. So check here, security privileges and the staging tables is created automatically. This is how that we can create a data entity in a shortcut. Okay, thank you.